Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel PSD Mockup. Today I'm going to talk about one of the PSD file which is related to the mobile phone gadgets. The name of the PSD file is Samsung S26 Ultra. This PSD file for those who have their own business, vinyls and decals for gadgets, especially for the mobile phones. You can see right here one of the PSD file you see on my desktop. I just double tap and open my Photoshop. You can see right here there's a lot of layer. Each layer have different meaning, and you can see lights, shadows, design. If you want to change the background for this S26 Ultra, you can do it too as well. You can see right here on the last color fill one, you just have to double tap on it, pick color whatever you like. I just pick this, hit OK. You see, it's really simple and easy. Just set as default. If you want to change the color for the phone too, you can do it as well. Just double tap on it, hide first layer, just double tap on the second layer, rectangular one, and pick color whatever you like. I just pick this one. You see there is a color code. You have to copy this first and hit OK. Command plus S on Mac to save. Go to the previous layer. Color change automatically. It's so beautiful. And if you want to change the color same as on the sideway, you just have to double tap on the design, hide first layer, double tap on the second one, rectangular one, and which you are copying the code previous. You just have to command plus V, paste, hit OK. Command plus S on Mac to save. Go to the previous layer. See, it's really simple without any headache. You just copy and paste your design, ready to showcase your product for the online store and whatever you have, like WooCommerce, Shopify, Etsy, anywhere you can showcase your design to customer. And if you have some kind of like pattern, yeah, some kind of pattern or design you wanted to apply on the S26 Ultra, you can do it too as well. Go to the previous layer, and I already some downloads photos from internet. You can see right here I have these. What should I do now? I just need to drag and drop, so you have to adjust a little bit according to what design do you have. Hit enter, command plus S on Mac to save, and same as command plus A and command plus C, copy this layer and go to the previous layer. You can see it looks really nice and cool. Go to this side layer which we already opened. You can see on the top of the bar, this is the first one, this is the second one, and command plus V, paste, and command plus T to drag a little bit at the all the way end, like we show the edges right here. And you can adjust you can adjust a little bit, drag and drop with the keyboard arrows key, right, and hit enter. Command plus S on Mac to save. Go to the previous layer. Here mockup is ready to showcase your product to your online store. And if you want me to change one of more pattern, I can do it as well. I go to the previous layer, I just drag and drop these. Okay, never mind, I just tried another one. I just drag and drop these and adjust according to your design. Hit enter, command plus S on Mac, and command plus A, command plus C to copy. For the next layer, go to the next layer, command plus V, command plus T, and you just have to drag all the way this, hit enter, command plus S. Now we go to the final layer. You can see it's look really amazing. This is the way you can use the markup to showcase your vinyl decals which you are selling. That way the customer knows which product they are buying and how it's look like on their phones, right? In this video, I hope you like this video, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest updates, and we will update more videos related to gadgets, drones, laptops. Please comment down below which video next you want. I will make a PSD file on that video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.